Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the new video in the Learn Tajweed Step by Step series. In today's video, inshallah, we will study the heavy and the light letters, which are two of the most important characteristics of the letters. The heavy letters, we can call it the dark, and also we have the light letters. We will study both of them in this video, inshallah. We will start by the light letters, and to know the heavy letters are only 7. So all the Arabic letters are light, except only 7 letters are heavy and some cases of lam and ra. So you have 7 letters, always heavy letters or dark letters, and we have 2 letters which are lam and ra. In some cases they are heavy, and in other cases they will be light. Any other letter except these 9 letters, it will be always light letter. We pronounce it with a light sound. And the light letters in Arabic are called al-huruf al-muraqqaqa. And now let's see what are the heavy letters. The heavy letters are the letters that we produce or we pronounce with the full mouth because the elevation of the back of the tongue. So how to give the letter its heavy sound? You will use your full mouth while reading it. And the heavy letters to know in Arabic, they are called al-huruf al-mufakhama. They are the heavy letters, or as we can say, dark letters. What is the importance of the heavy sound, or why we have these letters to pronounce with the heavy sound? To differentiate between the light letters and the heavy letters. For example, we have صاد and sin. What is the difference between صاد and sin? The صاد is the heavy sound and the sin is the light sound. Focus on their pronouncing. The sin is the light one that I produce or pronounce by using the tip of tongue. But according to the صاد, is also produced from the tip of tongue. But while reading it, I used my full mouth to give it the heavy sound. For example, سمع صوت. Let's try to pronounce both of them in a light way. It will be سمع and صوت. What is the difference between the first letter here and the first letter here? Both of them gives me the same sound, so I can't differentiate between them. That's why we have these 7 letters. We must pronounce them with a heavy sound to be clear. And now let's see what are these letters. We have the first 2 letters صاد and ضاد. For example, صوت, not sound. If I said sound, I pronounce it with the sin, which is a light. But here it's صاد, صوت. The second one, ضاد, like ضوء. Then we have طاء and ضاء. طاء, like طعام, ظل. Focus here on pronouncing the ta. If I said طعام, I pronounce it with the ta, not ta. Got it? Okay, let's continue. We have غين and خاء. غين, like غراب. خاء, like خفاش. Both of them are heavy sounds. And the last letter we have is قاف. قمر. If I said it قمر, ka is the kaf, not قاف. And kaf is the light one. So again, what is the benefit of making heavy sound? To differentiate between the letters and to be more clear. Any other letter except these 7 letters and the lam and ra, always light. But these 7 letters, always heavy. And they are collected in only one sentence, which is خص ضغط قذ. All the 7 letters are heavy letters, or we pronounce them with a heavy sound. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned as we will study the cases of lam and ra in the next videos, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.